January the 8th, 2014. This is an image from LASCO C3, guys. It's Earth facing. Notice it was on the 6th. That was when we had the first large CME. Then here on the 7th, we had the beginning of the X flare. That's Mercury and Venus coming in. Mercury on the bottom, Venus on the top. Now, again, you're going to see all the particles are energized and blasted towards the Earth. All the ACE satellites have picked it up. You're on your protons, your electrons. I'll show you that. But NASA has analyzed this and updated some of the arrival time and duration times, and I'll go through that. Just a short update, guys, but check this out. On the far right, you had two strong M flares. Now, in the center, activity is semi-miles since the X flare. How long will that hold up? We don't know. Notice we're still in the line of fire. It's still Earth facing. It will be out throughout the day, but as we go through the next 3 days, it's going to turn away from us. That's good. Also in the deep blue and the purple there, that's coronal holes in the sun. That's heat. That's good. We need it on Earth. But we've got to watch that big sunspot. It's not through. Notice we also have 3 filaments coming in on the left, guys, in the dark brown lines. Have to watch those because they're very close to the sunspots. And here's what it looks like. Your sunspot on the top, notice how it's increasing in size. It's beta gamma. Big 1944 still triple configurated for X. Here's your ACE, proton, and electron charge. You see they're highly elevated. Now, this is the ISWA chart from NASA. Arrival time is in the red zone. It's plus or minus 8 hours. And I'm going to click this up. Notice the CME arrival time on the 1st at 3800 hours. That's only 38 minutes difference from the video last night. But the duration of this is 34 hours. Now, the Earth's going to be turning. And during that first, starting at on the 9th at 3800 hours, it's going to be getting sunset in California. It's going to go over the Pacific Ocean. Japan will catch the full day of that area, but it's 34 hours. Notice that. That's the confidence level on that duration, time, and disturbance is plus or minus 8 hours. Notice the magnetopause standoff distance at 4.5, and I'll show you what they're talking about here. That's a line at 4.5 that in the red. Now, what they're saying is, is this going to compress to 4.5? We've seen it before, but that's strong. That's inside both the GOES 14, 13, and the Korean COMS satellite. Notice that? That's strong compression. And guys, it was a 1.7 X flare that I watched come in when we had the Japan quake that created the Fukushima disaster. Also, don't forget on Blog Talk today at 2:30 Central, we're going to have author Anthony Patch. We're going to be talking about the Super Collider, CERN, maybe some Project Bluebeam. Real interesting stuff for the end times, guys. Technology involved with the spiritual warfare that we're going through. Heads up on that. And tomorrow at 2:30, we're going to have Michael from around the world.